Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can use Dsers with your Shopify. So to do that you have to just log in with your ID, as you can see, or sign up with your Gmail ID. So here you can see my Shopify store. So here I have to just add the Dsers app. So to add the Dsers app we have to click here, as you can see, in apps. So here we can just search as Dsers. Okay, so as you can see, Dsers. So Dsers is basically AliExpress. So as we can see, Dsers gives us a free plan for 14 days trial, and it will then charge. So it's free to install basically, and it's take a bulk order which will do the basic mapping, and it will manage a 3 store and 3K products, 3000 products, automated order, uh, status sync, automated tracking, no sync tracking, no to PayPal. Okay, so number to PayPal, which is number to sync. Okay, so when you will purchase it as advanced plan, that will cost you $19.9. It will give you all features of the basic plan, plus you can just add up to 10 stores. 10 stores means you can just add your Shopify store, Etsy, your more stores, 20 stores up to, and up to 20K products, 20,000 products, and advance. It will give you advance and bundle mapping, AliExpress affiliate, and when you will pay a $50 a month to AliExpress or Dsers, so they will give you the all features in the advanced plan, plus they will give you a 25 store access, and like to access your 25 store and 75,000 products. So to manage a multi like platform with one account, you can just buy it pro. So let's install. So before installing we can read this. So it will optimize our supplier and find the best supplier, and it will manage our products and import the products, and automate the price and stocks, bulk orders. So as you can see here, so you want to just click on here, add app. So here we can see it is transferred to the Dsers. So we have to just, like you can see, we can just like read this if you want to read. So here is basically Dsers is saying that it will take our uh, customer information, okay, contact information, location, device information, and our contact information, our physical location. So as you can see, it can like edit your orders, and it can edit your products. We can just click on install. So here you can see, so we can just register for ourselves. So we have to just like register for ourselves. So here you can see we have to just select the basic plan. So here we have to just go to our AliExpress and make account and link with our Dsers. So let's open AliExpress. So here is AliExpress. So here we have to just go to a site. So here you can see in the account section we have option to register. We can just register. So here we have to just choose our location. So we can choose our location as US, or we can just search as here United States. So we have to just choose our email and password. So let's add it. So I'm like doing with my Brave. So Brave will like give me a temporary email. So as you can see here, so I will just like go with this account. So you can see here we have just copied, so I will just paste it here, and our password here. to create account. So we have to like these site to verify, we need to verify it. It's loading, so it's not verified, so we have to just give the confirmation mail to AliExpress. So here is our so here you can see, we can just reload it. So here we can see its verification mail has been arrived. So let's open. So here is verification mail. So it's 0062, right? 0062. You can just verify our mail. So as you can see, we have registered. It's loading. So the account has been registered. So to connect with your Dsers, you have to just open here your Dser and just click here, link to AliExpress. So here we can see just it will be of authorization. It will be. So you have to just click here at I agree and just click on authorize. So as you can see, our Shopify store has been linked, so we can just open here our app one more time and just check it. So uh, as you can see, our shop has been registered. To add the product, we have to just click here, supplier optimizer. So we have to just paste the URL and we have to find the product from here. So from here you can see, you can scroll down. So first of all we have to change the currency. So AliExpress is not giving us access to change our currency, so we can just change from here our currency. Okay, so US dollar, save. So here we can see our US dollar has been changed. So let us add the product. So we can add this PS4 controller, or we can just add some fancy things. So as you can see, these are the top deals. So we can just go here. So we can just add this controllers at $9. This chair, plastic chair, office plastic chair, sorry, elastic chair, and you can just add this freezer. So as you can see, this three items. So I will add this three items to my Dsers. So Dsers will add to our Shopify store. So go to product and we can just click here. So here we have to just copy this link. So as you can see, we have to paste here and search. So simply it will search through the link and it will show the best supplier for this product and your cost, and it will show your profit margin also. So here you can see like the price of the, we can just select the 5-star rating seller. So let us choose this. So set of screwdrivers. So okay, so it will cost you like a $2.25 and shipping will cost like a $6. So it will cost about like a $8 after taxes. Let us assume as $9. So we can just import to import list. So it's have been imported. So let us stay here. So we have added this product. So as you can see, we will add this second product. So we can just search it here. So it will costing like a $4.6. Okay, so you can see here, so it's like a customer's price, so we have to just check the supplier's price from here. So it is costing $17 and it's costing us $7.42, $3 also. So we can just choose this as $3. Ratings are okay. So we can just add to our import list. So we can just stay here. So let's just cut it. So here we can add this product also. This product is also good. So we can just paste it here and hit enter. So here you can see the product. So this sort of 5-star, $14. Okay, so we have to just check the prices, which is cheap. So let's go with $14. No, 36. It's was $14. So just import list. Okay, so we can just stay here. So we have to go to our import list section. So as you can see this product, so we have to just check it, market. Okay, so here is the option coming to push to Shopify. We have to click on here. So here it is asking for like $3. So you have to just click on this too. I recommend don't click on this. So it will like continue selling after out of stock. So it can be a problem to your shop. So let us push to Shopify. So when you will click here, so it will take about a minute for each product. So it will take about 3 minutes. So let's check the status from here. So as you can see it's uploading. So when it will be uploaded, the sign will be coming here. It's uploaded. So we can just wait. So we can just reload it one time here. So as you can see the product has been added to our store. Okay, so this is how you can just drop ship the products from your Dsers to your Shopify. So as you can see here we can just view. So products also. So here are all pricings. So you can just customize the pricings also by here going to edit, and you can just customize the price from here. Okay, we can just select this and edit bulk, and then from here from this chart you can just like here you can just cut it and just set it like $19. Okay, so you can select $19. We can just save it. So the price is like this. So you can calculate your margins and just set the price. Okay, with bulk edit. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.